So I removed this tension mechanism again because the garage door was not working. I have for the moment removed. I have feeling it has something to do with the tension mechanism that's not working correctly to distribute the tension when the motor engages the belt. And what I noticed is this clip. Actually, this I used to be installing this clip on the other side of the bracket like this. The bracket would come here, and I would just put the clip here, and then I would put this nut, square top nut like this, which is internally threaded, and I would make it just sit on this I would make it sit on this uh, this clip like thing. I don't know if that's the right way to install it, but what I did notice is when I remove this nut, I noticed that there's a notch over here on this nut, and the notches seem to match what this clip the notches that this clip has. So I'm wondering if this clip actually needs to go into this nut, matching the notches. Sort of like you need to align the notches with this nut. Sort of like this, and then sit on this sit in this gap. I'm wondering if that's how it's supposed to be installed, so that the spring is free to move. That's what I'm thinking. So basically something like this. Maybe the spring needs to be, well, it can't be like this, because then this clip would be on this side of the spring. In my other garage door, the clip is on this side of the spring. So, well, anyway, I'm not sure about that.